Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Squeaky Floor Repair Kit is probably one of the most underappreciated home improvement tools, isn't it? Squeaky floors can turn a peaceful home into a noisy one, and nobody wants that. Luckily, these kits offer a practical and effective solution to eliminate those annoying noises. Today, we're diving deep into the world of squeaky floor repair, exploring what makes these kits so great and how they can save your sanity. Number 5. Squeak No More Floor Squeak Repair Kit. Tired of those annoying floor squeaks? This kit is the ultimate solution. It has been a trusted brand for 30 years, and it's a complete kit, ready to eliminate those floor noises. Whether you have carpet, hardwood, or linoleum, this kit has you covered. It secures loose boards to joists, stopping the movement that causes those irritating creaks and squeaks. It even works on stairs. The kit includes everything you need: breakaway screws, joist finding drill bits, a square head driver bit, a tripod fixture for carpet, and a hardwood adapter. It's a comprehensive package for a squeak-free floor. The joist finder drill bits help you pinpoint the joists beneath your flooring. This ensures precise placement for the screws. If squeaks persist, simply add more screws along the joist line. The breakaway screws snap below the surface for a clean finish. The tripod fixture and hardwood adapter guide the installation, leaving your floor looking and sounding great. It provides a clean finish fix. What we like. This kit is a complete solution. It includes everything you need to tackle those annoying floor squeaks. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit that works on hardwood, carpet, and linoleum, this is the one for you. The damage-free, invisible fix ensures a clean finish, making it perfect for any homeowner. What people say. Worked amazingly well through carpet on the upper level of home. Loud, obnoxious squeaks gone or barely there. In really loud areas you had to place the screws about 4 inches apart. It takes some work, but if you follow the directions it really fixes squeaky floors. Whoever invented the screw, 2 different threads and a deliberate weak spot to snap off, is a genius. This product worked wonders and has eliminated most of my squeaks in the main areas of concern, mostly hallways, heavily traveled areas. Number 4. O'Berry Counter Snap Kit, 3232, for hardwood floors. Tired of those annoying squeaks? This kit is designed to eliminate them. It provides a simple solution to fix the problem. The kit comes with 50 screws, a driver bit, and easy-to-follow instructions. Everything you need to get the job done is right here. This kit stops the movement of floorboards, eliminating the source of the squeaks. The screws are designed to be hidden for a clean finish. The screw snaps 1/4 inch below the surface. Then, you can fill the small hole with wood filler. The result is a clean, professional look. With the included driver bit and instructions, installation is a breeze. You'll be enjoying a quiet floor in no time. What we like. This kit is designed for ease of use. It includes a driver bit and easy-to-follow instructions. If you are a DIY enthusiast, this kit is perfect for you. It stops the movement of floorboards, and the concealed screw ensures a clean look. What people say. I've bought these 3 separate times for my bedroom and it works like a charm. I'd highly suggest using the plastic bit for your pilot holes, as it prevents the chuck on the drill from spinning against the floor and causing abrasions. The screws are scored so they can snap into once in a countersunk position. I recommend watching a couple videos before using the product. Number 3. Squeaky Hardwood Floor Repair Kit, Squeak No More. Is your hardwood floor driving you crazy with squeaks? This kit is designed to eliminate those annoying sounds. It's a simple and effective solution for a quiet home. The secret weapon is the counter-snap hardwood trim screws. These screws are specially designed to stop squeaks between the joists. They are easy to use and incredibly effective. The screw snaps 1/4 inch below the surface. Then, you can easily fill the small hole with wood filler. It's a clean and professional finish. This kit works great on hardwood and vinyl floors, and even stairs. It's not for use on carpeted floors. It's a versatile solution for many common flooring types. The kit includes 50 screws, a driver bit, and the counter snap fixture. Everything you need to fix those squeaky floors is right here. Get yours today. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for hardwood and vinyl floors. The screw snaps below the surface for a clean finish. If you have hardwood or vinyl floors and want a simple solution, this kit is the right choice for you. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to fix squeaky floors. The instructions were clear and easy to follow. The product effectively eliminated the squeaks. Number 2. Squeak No More Kit for Carpet. Do you have a squeaky floor? This kit is designed to eliminate those annoying squeaks. It's a simple solution to a common problem. The Squeak No More Kit is easy to install. You don't need to be a professional to use it. The process is straightforward and user-friendly. This kit works through your existing carpet. You don't have to remove the carpet to fix the squeaks. It's a convenient and time-saving solution. Once installed, this kit provides a permanent solution to floor squeaks. You can enjoy a quiet home without the constant noise. It's a long-lasting fix. Say goodbye to squeaky floors. Get the Squeak No More Kit today and enjoy a peaceful living space. It's the perfect solution for a quiet home. What we like. This kit is designed to eliminate floor squeaks through carpet. If you have carpeted floors and are tired of those annoying squeaks, this is the perfect solution for you. It's specifically designed to work through carpet, making the repair process simple and effective. What people say. This kit fixed several loose boards in my house under my carpet. Couldn't tell anything and now the floor is quiet as a mouse. My floors are so much quieter using this system. I followed the instructions. Used a stud finder to locate joist and confirmed with their joist finding tool. I installed several screws along the joist and spaced them 4 inches apart, confirming each screw placement with the tool provided, and also the joist passed where the squeak was located. Number 1. Squeak No More Counter SnapAt Joist Starter Pack Kit. This counter snap kit is designed to stop those annoying floor squeaks. It includes everything you need to get started and make your floors quiet again. The package comes with 50 scored screws, a snap-off fixture, and a square-headed driver bit. It also includes complete instructions to guide you through the process. These screws are specifically designed for use between the joists. The unique thread design ensures a secure hold in both boards simultaneously. This product is perfect for addressing squeaks that originate from the joists. It's an effective solution for a common household problem. Note that this screw is not suitable for all situations. For other applications, consider alternative products like Berry's 3236. What we like. This kit features specially designed screws with threads in both boards. It includes a snap-off fixture and complete instructions. If you are looking for a kit with a unique screw design and easy-to-follow instructions, then you should consider this. What people say. Overall, once you find the joists, these really do work. Each screw snaps off 1/4 below the floor, which is great for when they are sanded and refinished in the future. These have been an absolute miracle item for our floor. My kitchen and laundry room is so quiet now to walk on. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.